Hello there. Welcome back. This is part two of part one. Yeah, if that makes sense. Of Cruise for a Cause. We're going to be dipping into the car show a little bit. Some racing videos, racing content, track days, however you want to call it. I had some guys that I know pretty well, friends of mine, who sent in some of their content, stuff that I might have missed. And, but yeah, I didn't want to throw it all into one big video, have you guys get bored out of your minds and think that that's all it was just a car show, because it's not. So here's part two, Cruise for a Cause, a little bit of car show stuff, a little bit of racing stuff. Hopefully you guys enjoy, and hopefully soon as well, I'll be doing a review on the new 2017 to us Ford Explorer that we bought as a family vehicle, because as you guys are aware, the Ford Edge was totaled. So we did buy that car as well. I'm going to be doing a review on that for those who are looking to possibly get a family vehicle. And I'm going to tell you right now, I do love it, but we're going to dive into that. That's a different, different thing. So part two, later. Let's roll. Some track tires over here. That's a big truck, man. Shelby Diesel. Oh, hey. It's the crew. I see you guys. GT350. Roush. V6, 40th anniversary. Tell by the badge. 5.0, another black with a gold kind of combo. I do like that a lot. GT500 over here. Looks like a 13. GT as well, nice combo with a Steeda spoiler on the back. I see you. I'm just a GT500 freak. I love them. And this body style as well. I want myself an 08 or 09 GT500. I'll take an 07 and it's all the same thing. He doesn't know I'm here. Yeah. We'll get him later. I don't want to stop. I'm sure he'll run into me later. Actually, I think that's his Mach 1. Or maybe it's his buddy. Somebody, it's gotta be his Mach 1. I know he's got a Mach 1 as well. Another GT with this nice orange. It reminds me of that Celine we saw a little bit ago. Nice wheel combo as well. Looks like the 2010, 11, 12 GT500 wheels on this orange one. Basically the same wheel combo I have, but in black. Nice, nice, nice. A lot of dressing up there. Ford GT. What do you know about that?
If you're looking away from me to the right, left of me if you're looking at me, right over here by the door to win. 50-50 tickets are available. Make sure you
This is a 2021. We have the old one over here. Crazy. Even this whole thing here is carbon fiber as well. That's nuts. Whipple Supercharged GT. That's sick. How you doing? shut your alarm off now?
Yeah. Is it still going on?
It was off and on.
Taking place if you go back by where you
Yeah, yeah. I was saying in my videos, like, come on, Juan, where are you at?
the ride alongs are going to be taking place.
I'm glad you unlocked it. That's usually what I have to do. Yeah. Yeah, we have to do the same thing to mine. I have to keep it unlocked, otherwise it's sensitive. I walked by the window, it went off. I was like, oh, I got a video. 2005. This one doesn't have the windows down, so it's kind of hard to see. Hopefully you guys see it, not my ugly face. All right, there you go. I don't know. Tell me in the comments what one you would like. Would you like the new 2021 V6 twin turbo? Or would you take the old school V8 with that nice fat Whipple? To me, I'd take this. Oh, over there? Yeah, you gotta do that track thing. I think they're doing like autocross right now. Maybe we'll go out there. Hey, you calm down, little girl. Maybe she's hungry. Probably have to get some food here soon. Why not? It's in there now. It's too late. I think my wife might be getting some food, maybe, or where is she at? We need to get some foods. Alright, for now I'm going to shut her down. We're going to do another video over there next. But for now, let's shut her down.
We have 50-50 walking around, and we do have...
So good. What'd you get?
Like a chicken wrap, kind of.
Oh, yeah. Ice cold lemonade. What are you doing? She's got hers over here. Car show's over there still, guys. We're sitting in an Exploder, eating some food, and then heading back to record some more videos. Maybe get a couple runs in. Depends on whenever they're doing that.
Well, they're starting to do it.
Yeah, but I think those are ride-alongs for people trying to train or learn. So we'll see. All right, we'll be back. All right, we're heading back to the show. We just got done eating. Wife's gonna change their dippers, and then she's gonna meet me over here. But I want to try and get some more recording done, take some photos. There's a lot yet I got to do. Some of the sound, I'm pretty sure I'll probably put it in text down below. I don't want copyright problems with the music they're playing. So some of it might just be sound, and I might be pointing at, you know, things and not having any, you know, voice. But like I said, I'm just not trying to get copyright. Some of the music I do play is like kind of royalty music, you know, where you don't get in trouble. I might check out and see what they got here too. All right, stay tuned. Nice, Boss 302. I think that's a bullet. I'm pretty sure it's a bullet. It is. Says a bullet. Nice. James, I found an older bullet. Old V8 truck. I like that. Shelby GTH, which is a hearse. Roush. Another Roush. Michael. Solar lighting. Roush Stage 3, I believe. Shelby GT350. Shelby GT350 old school. We'll check that out here in a second. I like the old school look, bro. Someone's got COVID. What if this was a repaint? Here we got Super Snake. GT500. Shelby truck. Nice. Just pulling up to the show a little late there, buddy. But better late than never. Old Mach. Convert. Right, they're doing speed runs, which I'll probably be up there soon or shortly. That's pretty cool. Old school, man. Some Grabber Blue cars over here. Roush. Looks like a pole truck. Lots of dope cars. All right, let's go check out some speed runs. I am about to run it. I got the AC on and it's hot, but I am going to turn it off once I start racing. I'm going to line up. It's a really, really short track. This is Cohen's over there, from the blue to the Cohen, so it's super short. The family's over there. They're going to record it. But yeah, so hopefully you guys get me just right here. I'm not going to record inside the car. Obviously, I have nobody else with me to record in the car. So what you will see is the outside view. Hopefully it looks nice, even though it's like super short. But hey, it is what it is. I'll also get more people as well recorded on that for content. Bye.
Look at here, boys. Up next.
And we're going. 10 years later. 15 years later. Oh, he went too far up and tripped the number. Maybe he's doing a burnout. We'll never know. Probably gonna do a little burnout. Why didn't I get a chance to do a burnout? Oh, I know why. I'm too good. I'm just kidding. Oh, now you tripped it again, buddy. That's okay. That's okay. All that burning rubber. I better see some impressive number. "28 years later." "32 years later." Oh, we got going. And he slowed down before the number. Well, you know, before the... Okay.